An army truck heading to President Emerson Mnangagwa's launch of what was described as a market gardening project in Makorokoro, Matabeleland South, overturned on Wednesday, killing 2 soldiers and injuring several others, witnesses said. The truck was carrying 25 soldiers when it overturned and rolled over between Plumtree and Makorokoro, a village in Mangu district close to the border with Botswana. A witness said, "The truck was overloaded. It's shocking that in this era of COVID-19 they could pack so many people in that truck, yet the government goes around preaching social distancing." The injured were ferried to Mafisa District Hospital and Plumtree District Hospital. Mnangagwa was in Makorokoro to launch what the state-run ZBC described as the Matabeleland South Market Gardening Project. Mnangagwa toured a vegetable garden and then addressed a rally of hundreds of ZANU-PF supporters, many of them bussed in from neighboring villages and some from as far as Plumtree and Mafisa.